Hey, hi guys. Today we are going to give our first home tour. We recently shifted to Leeds, UK, and we are living in the city center. And my even office is very close by. You can just zoom the camera outside and you can see our parking lot. Yeah. So ये हमारा 2 bedroom flat है. We are on the first floor of this apartment. This is 17th floor building, and we are on the first floor. जैसे ही दरवाजा ओपन होता है तो it has kind of got that central view where all the rooms, kitchen and bathroom is connected. We have got a smaller shoe rack here. We have placed it here, and then on the entry you get the dining table. Okay. Since I am doing the work from home right now, so I am also working from here. Then you come to the kitchen area, and in the kitchen area there is an utility room where our washing machine is there, and then we got the garbage bin also placed over there. Then we got the dishwasher. It's not that big one, but I think for 2 people living in the house it is sufficient. तो इतना हमारा काम यहाँ से हो जाता है. सिंक भी एक छोटा सा अच्छा सा है. I think the best part is the induction. Usually I know people prefer the gas stove, but with the induction the best part is you can easily clean it even if you spill the. Then there is an oven also. We have not used it so far, but we are planning to start using it. Then an integrated fridge is there, and the freezer is there. So freezer you could see you can place all the frozen stuff including meats and everything in the freezer, and then you got all your milk and other dairy products along with the vegetables in the fridge. Then we got a cooker hood here. I'll turn it off, and then we got one light which I think it really helps when you are cooking. Okay, and all these are cabinets for particular purpose. Then we come to so our dining table is quite near to the kitchen, so it's easier to get your food on the dining table and we'll be eat here. Then okay, तो हमने अभी तक किचन देख लिया, डाइनिंग टेबल देख लिया, एंट्री. अब हम आते हैं अपने लिविंग और ड्राइंग एरिया की तरफ. So we got a sofa here, and then यहाँ पे टीवी स्टैंड है, बट अभी तक हमने टीवी नहीं लिया है. And I've got a monitor from the office, and that is something we have connected with the laptop, and we are using as a TV. So we are planning to buy a TV. This is a coffee table, and if you see behind couch, this is the heater. So there is no central heater. ये क्या है ना, 3 जगह पे ये heater place है, दोनों bedroom में and then living area में. So you have an option where you can turn off, turn on, और वो मतलब high and low आप कर सकते हो heat को. This is the thermostat. Here you can maintain the temperature of the house. So usually we put it lower while we go for the sleep, and during daytime it is usually in that range of 21-22 degrees. हमने recently vacuum cleaner भी लिया. This is a cordless vacuum cleaner. It has got the 3 modes. ये floor के लिए भी काम करता है. If you see यहाँ पे जो हमारा living area है और kitchen है, यहाँ पे floor है, and then in both the rooms carpet है, and it has also got the turbo mode. अगर कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा ये है उसको भी वो खींच लेता है easily. Then we do not have any balcony, but the living area itself has got that bigger windows. I mean, I'll say the whole wall is simply glass wall, so you could easily see the outside view. You get a lot of sun also during afternoon time, because it's east facing, so you get the sun in the second half of the day. ये windows को open भी कर सकते हैं अंदर और बाहर to get the ventilation. So मतलब थोड़ा ये बेटर रहता है. Now for throughout the day the ventilation ये यहाँ से आता है. If you see this machine, ये दिन भर मतलब हवा को सर्कुलेट करता है. So it's good. Then coming to the bedroom, let's first go to the master bedroom. So master bedroom, we got a bigger bed, I would say, and the room is also bigger. So what they usually provide you is a double bed, not a king size bed, and on both the sides you get the lamp table. Then they also provide you a chester, यहाँ पे कपड़े वगैरह स्टोर कर सकते हैं. Then ये यहाँ पे एक हीटर भी है, छोटा सा हीटर भी है बेडरूम के अंदर में. And then you got a similar window in the bedroom as well, which you can open and get the fresh air. Again the ventilation works similar way जैसे मैंने लिविंग एरिया में दिखाया था. और ये चेस्टर है, ये काफ़ी सारे सामान को मतलब होल्ड करता है. and it's also sturdy. And यहाँ पे ये wardrobe है, but usually in UK you do not get the wardrobe with all the racks. So you get just clothes to hang there, and it's up to you how do you want to store your clothes. There are different types of you get the storage bags from IKEA or other places, and which you can just simply hang and put your clothes in. Okay, let's go outside. So there are two lights in this room. Coming to the guest room, ये हमारा गेस्ट रूम है. अभी तक हमने यूज़ नहीं किया. We haven't used it so far, and we have placed our mandir on the right hand side. So it is currently east facing mandir. The gods are facing the east side of it, and then right behind the mandir, ये हमारा wardrobe है, similar to the way it is there in the master bedroom. And what I was talking about is this type of hanging storage, cloth storage you can place in your wardrobes. Again, यहाँ भी हमारा हीटर है, similarly जैसे लिविंग एरिया में और मास्टर बेडरूम में था. Then again we got the chester, another chester over here, and then similar glass for the ventilation purpose. You get the outside view, which is really good. Then we have a cloth hanger. Usually we use the dryer, which is integrated with the washing machine. But sometimes if you don't want to use the dryer for the longer period of time, you can just dry it for an hour and then put hang them. Similarly, we also got the two tables on both the sides of the bed in the guest room as well. Again, we have one light over here. It is almost similar size to the master bedroom. Then यहाँ पे हमारा वॉशरूम है. It's a decent sized washroom. And when you enter to the washroom, you see the towel rod. This is heated towel rod. So आप जब भी अपना नहाते हो उसके बाद जो टॉवल रहता है आप इसके ऊपर डाल सकते हो, एंड देन वो इजी रहता है सुखाने में. देन यू गॉट द WC, द शावर, एंड देन यू जस्ट this is a bathtub and also works as an standing shower. So I think we have given you guys the home tour. Do let us know if you liked it, and do share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.